One of the reasons that NWTC decided to offer a event management associate degree program was the growing number of events within our district.
The industry is booming right now. You can have companies that are completely dedicated to hosting events and developing these events, and they're contracted out from other corporations, or you have companies that have in-house event planners like myself working at Bellin. So there's a lot of different avenues that you can go with this career.
Our event planners are rock stars. They plan everything from the beginning to the end. They know exactly what's going to happen during the event.
I love the fact that I never get bored. With event planning, it's always something different. You're always meeting different people and you're learning every single day, which is how you develop professionally.
I think event management opens the eyes to the things that are possible. If you are creative and you love to travel, if you are very, very good at planning, this is an industry that you will love.